To fix the problem where your Sony WF-C510 won't reset to factory settings, first let's open the case. Then when both of the earbuds are in, make sure that the case as well as the earbuds are charged, and you can see it by the LED lamp in front. So if we can see the light like this, that means they are basically charged and you can safely perform a reset. If you see something else, then I recommend to connect them to the charging using the charging port right here. Wait around half an hour and then we can start a reset. So now next thing we need to make sure is that during a reset both of the earbuds are still inside of the case, and then look on the back of the case to find a circle button. You need to click and hold this button until the LED lamp in front, I'm holding the button and you should too, will turn red. So let's wait, there will be a blue light, and right after that we'll see a few blinks of a red light. And now our reset is finished, and that is everything.